Imagine waking up every morning with itchy, scaly patches covering your skin. You try to hide them under clothing, but they're always there. Simple daily tasks, like showering or getting dressed, can be painful and uncomfortable. This condition is called psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition with a genetic component that is not contagious and can be triggered by factors such as stress, infections, skin injuries, and certain medications. They are most common on the scalp, elbows, knees, and lower back. This can be a painful, frustrating, and isolating condition. But don't worry, there are natural remedies that are effective in reducing the symptoms of psoriasis. Oatmeal baths. The proteins and fats in oatmeal help to protect and strengthen the skin's barrier, preventing further damage, irritation, itching, and soothe the skin. Simply add a cup of finely ground oatmeal to your bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Dead sea salt. Dead sea salt contains high levels of minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which can improve skin hydration, reduce inflammation, and relieve itching. Add dead sea salt to your bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the skin and reduce redness and itchiness. To use, simply cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, remove the gel, and apply it directly to the affected area. Turmeric. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and redness. To use, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it directly to the affected area. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body and improve skin health. Consider adding more fatty fish to your diet or taking an omega-3 supplement. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and irritation. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with carrier oil, like coconut oil, and apply to the affected area. While these natural remedies can be helpful in reducing the symptoms of psoriasis, it's important to note that they are not a cure for the condition. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune disease and requires ongoing management and treatment. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment or remedy for psoriasis.
Yeah.